Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, I am here on my roof and actually I received a message from my subscriber and the message was that ma'am please make a video on 26 January Republic Day speech. So that's why I thought why not create a video here because I find here very quiet. So that's why I'm going to share with you wonderful speech on Republic Day. Good morning respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today on the auspicious occasion of the 76th Republic Day, I feel honored to stand before you and share my thoughts about this significant day in the history of our nation. Today, Republic Day, celebrated on the 26th of January each year, marks the day when the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. It is a day of great pride for every Indian as it commemorates the birth of India as a republic, a nation where the power lies in the hands of its citizens. Before we delve deeper, let us take a moment to remember and honor the visionaries and freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives to secure our independence. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and countless others laid the foundation for the democratic India we cherish today. Their sacrifice remind us of our responsibility to uphold the value of freedom, equality, and justice. The journey to becoming a republic was not easy. After gaining independence in 1947, India needed a comprehensive document that would define its principles, govern its functioning, and ensure justice for all citizens. A committee led by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar worked tirelessly to draft our constitution, which is now one of the most detailed and inclusive constitutions in the world. The Constitution of India provides us with fundamental rights such as freedom of speech, the right to equality, and the right to education. It also lays down fundamental duties, reminding us to contribute positively to our nation's progress. As citizens, it is not only our right but also our duty to protect the integrity, diversity, and unity of our country. Now let's talk about the significance of Republic Day 2025. As we celebrated Republic Day in 2025, it is crucial to reflect on the journey of our nation. Over the decades, India has made remarkable progress in science, technology, education, healthcare, and many other sectors. We have sent missions to the moon and Mars, become a global leader in technology, and made strides in economic development. However, challenges remain. issues like poverty, corruption, environmental degradation, and inequality requires our collective attention and effort. It is our duty as citizens, especially as students, to address these challenges with determination and innovation. The role of students in nation building. Now let's talk about this topic. Students as the youth of India, as the architect tomorrow. You are the torch bearer. You will lead this nation to greater heights. But how can you contribute? First thing, education. Education is the most powerful tool for changes. By focusing on your studies and acquiring knowledge, you prepare yourself to tackle the challenges of the future. Second thing, unity in diversity. Yes, this is second thing. India is a land of diverse cultures, languages and religions. Respect and celebrate this diversity as unity is our greatest strength. Third thing, environmental responsibilities. As the world faces the consequences of climate change, take small but significant steps to protect our environment. Fourth thing, uphold values. Honesty, kindness, and compassion are values that define us as individuals and as a nation. Uphold these values on your actions. Now, on this Republic Day, let us please to uphold the principles of our Constitution. Let us commit to being responsible, who contribute our progress and well-being. Remember, the future of India lies on your hands. As students, you have the power to shape this country into a beacon of hope, prosperity, and harmony. Work hard, dream big, and never lose sight of the values that define us as Indians. So, what is the conclusion of this speech? As I conclude, I want to emphasize that Republic Day is not just a day of celebration, but a day of reflection and renewal. Let us honor the sacrifices of our past, celebrate the achievement of our present, and work tirelessly for a brighter future. May our tricolor always fly high, symbolizing peace, progress, and pride for our nation. Jai Hind.